Hi friends, today I got a freelancer project and I have to convert 50,000 50K images files into 1K PDF file according to some specific requirements. Like these are the folders, and there are in this first folder you can see 6,500 files, and in the second folder you can see there are 6,000 files again, and let's say in this folder you can see 6,279 files and so on. So then the final version, the client requirement was, the final version was he wants files into the PDF according to some specific requirement. It's not a random order. I have to figure it out, like the starting image file and the last image file. There is a certain criteria. Like you can see here, in every file is a first file have a specific number, so each file start with this barcode, and so on. So it's not necessary to discuss here, but the thing is that I have two options to for doing this. First, I can do it using Adobe Acrobat reader, and it was taking too much time. Then I decided to use Python, and you can use this library, PDF library. Then you can use this code, like in this example I just use 10 files. You can see 10 files in this folder, like this. These are the files, this folder, and every folder has a different number of files, 78 items, and similar in this box there are 66 items, and in this folder you can see 56 items. So I load these files into the Kaggle environment, into dataset, then I load it here, and it convert all these images into PDF. Here you can see the final output. Then using this code you can create a output folder, output zip folder, and here you can download it, and you can see the download folder, output download folder. Here you can see this is the first folder. You can see the first PDF file, and similarly you can see it have the same file which are there in previous folders, like this one, this was the first file, you can see, and there are 78 images in this folder, you can see 78 items. All these images converted into this PDF file, and it was done automatically using this Python code. You can read the code, you can access it, you can use it, and I will public the link is available in the video. And thanks a lot. Bye bye.